Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream with a Ziploc bag. Start by chilling small and large bags in the freezer for a few minutes to firm up. Combine cream, sugar, and vanilla in a small bag, sealing tightly. Fill a larger bag with ice and rock salt, then insert the sealed small bag. Shake vigorously for about 10 minutes until ice cream thickens, then enjoy now. Measure and pour cream, sugar, and vanilla into the small Ziploc bag, pressing out excess air before sealing tightly. Double bag if the seal worries you to avoid leaks. Add ice and rock salt to the larger bag until it is half full, then place the sealed cream bag inside. Seal the large bag and shake or roll for about 10 minutes until the mixture firms to a scoopable texture now. Quick ad break. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple projects. Quick recommendation. The Owala water bottle is great to keep nearby while you shake bags, and it won't sweat onto your counter. I put the link in the description along with other deals, so check there for options you like. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Try different flavors by folding in fruit, chocolate, or crushed cookies after the ice cream firms slightly. If the mixture stays soft, shake longer or place the bag in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes to set. Use a spoon warmed in hot water for cleaner scoops, and store leftovers in an airtight container in the freezer for best texture and flavor, and share widely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.